Creating the perfect media proposal shouldn't take hours, yet most sellers still juggle spreadsheets, presentations, product catalogs, and disconnected systems just to respond to a single opportunity. Meet AdFlo Proposal Builder. AdFlo brings everything together in one intelligent workspace. Your organization's products, exclusive TapClicks Marketplace inventory, historical campaign performance, AI-powered recommendations, everything your sellers need, all in one place. Simply describe your campaign. AdFlow analyzes your objectives, audience, budget, geography, and historical campaign performance to build a proposal in seconds, including discounted TapClicks Marketplace inventory for you to choose from. No spreadsheets, no manual planning, just smarter selling. Before making recommendations, AdFlow gives sellers instant client intelligence. See historical campaign performance, understand where advertisers spend, compare results against industry benchmarks, learn from previous proposal outcomes. Every proposal starts with data, not guesswork. Recommendations go far beyond generative AI. AdFlow combines your business rules, campaign intelligence, historical performance, and your unified product catalog, including exclusive marketplace inventory, to recommend the right media mix for every advertiser. Every recommendation remains fully editable, giving sellers complete control. Once approved, proposals become executable orders automatically. Sales and operations stay connected, eliminating manual handoffs and accelerating campaign delivery. Renew campaigns in seconds, and with AI-powered RFP responses coming soon, you'll turn complex RFPs into ready-to-send proposals in minutes. Build proposals faster, sell more consistently, unlock exclusive marketplace inventory. Let AI handle the heavy lifting. AdFlow, the AI revenue OS for modern media teams.